What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another day in the vlog. Great day today. Was at church and I came home. The weather ended up being very nice. It is now after almost 6:30. I did a lot of stuff, moved a lot of stuff around out of the garage down to the shed, which is great. Then I washed my car, Mel's car, and my motorcycle. Speaking of motorcycle, I'm gonna go ride out. I'm gonna pick up Aaliyah. Mel's gonna give her a haircut. So that'd be good. We're gonna ride around for a little bit. It's so nice out. I have to go for a ride. So here we go. See if we get some good footage. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog of the footage. Not sure what kind of footage I got, but it was something. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just came back from taking Leah home. Gonna chill the rest of the night. And yeah, there we have it. Hope you guys had a good weekend, and I'll see you guys around.